Today I wanted to show you guys how to get a nice natural edge up on someone with a fragile hairline. The goal with a hairline like this is just to preserve the hair as long as possible. So notice how I comb the hair forward. That way I make sure that I get any loose hairs. This will also keep me from cutting off and digging into the hairline. When you're doing the arches, you only need to use a few teeth of the blade, so just use the trimmer like you're etching with a pencil. I also like to make a few passes over the same area with the trimmer. That's why you see me comb the hair and go back over it. This will just ensure when they go home and wash their hair, or whenever they're just going out through the week, the haircut still retains the sharpness. If you can correctly cut a client like this, you will lock them in for life, because a lot of people are very particular about their hairline. And right here, I'm just gonna match everything just like I did on the other side. Once again with the arch, just using the edge of the trimmer blade. Okay, so here's the quote-unquote hard part. So notice how I start in the middle and then I'll pick a side and work my way right or left. It doesn't matter. Notice how I'm starting low because that's giving me a little bit more room to work with. Remember, the goal here is to preserve the hairline, so I'm not going to go digging. Yeah, I could get it a little bit more crispy if I went a little higher, but that's not what the client wants. They specifically asked to keep the line as natural as possible. The key to the illusion of getting this lineup to look sharp is the corners. You have to get the corner sharp. That's just the way the symmetry works. As long as the corners are even and sharp, even if the middle is not that dominant, it will still look straight across. So just pay attention right here how I'm just staying as low as possible and watch how I go to the corner. I'm gonna go over it a few times, but I'm not trying to dig into the actual hair, but I'm focusing on getting that corner as sharp as I can. Once again, comb the hair and then go over it again to make sure that you get any fly hairs that are sticking over. If you feel comfortable enough using a razor, you can use it to make the lineup just a little sharper, and this will also help it last a few more days. After that, make any revisions that you need to. Use your mirror to check your work, and there you have it. If you got value out of the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching.